It is 4 degrees with a wind chill of God only knows what. What we need is a new coat.
Let's see if we can get one right now. I guess a Zoom, I guess a row. I don't know this.
Well, they can see that I'm opening a box.
Yeah, but let's see if we can get some right now.
This isn't just any normal coat.
Okay. Now we got some coats.
Oh, baby.
Just came from Amazon.
No, it came from Colombia.
Colombia.
This is the brand new gold insulated Colombian jacket.
Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Ooh, this looks nice.
This one's mine.
Now, I actually got hers on sale. And I'll link the website and these coats down below if you guys are interested.
Yeah.
Oh dear. I should note that Colombia is not sponsoring me here. I just thought that I should do a quick little video and show you guys. Holy crap, this is lightweight. I hope this is warm. It says large. I got the large. Let's see here. Warm?
No.
Take a look at that. Look at the gold.
Hey,
That's
why
cool.
didn't I get gold? I wanted gold.
I couldn't find yours. This was expensive. This was $180. Yours should be just like your mother's. Yep. It's still got the OmniHeat.
Wait, these are heat? Yeah, there's heaters in these?
Yep.
Ah! It's no
gold-
warm at all.
The gold standard is warm. They're a little cold because they just came in the mail. But
It's like they're wet.
OmniHeat Infinity.
I broke
Alright,
it.
let's try this on. I got the blue one, but they got different.
Loose.
They got different colors. Nice. Yeah, Jess is getting one too. Whoa, this feels weird.
I know, right? So why have the cool I have one chest.
Wow, even the inside is nice.
Guys,
I like the hood. The hood is not very big. It's got strings in the side, so you can tighten or loosen. It's also got strings at the bottom somewhere. Yep, right here. So they are adjustable somewhat. So you just pull on that, loosen it, in case it's a little snug. I like this. It feels nice.
Guys!
It's lightweight.
guys, my mommy came!
Yeah, popper.
Yeah,
Oh my goodness.
I gotta pop it. What?
So
King.
tomorrow is a very cold day,
Yeah.
kind of like today. So I'm very curious to see if this lightweight coat is as warm as it says it
Let's
is.
see this. It's a good popper.
Put yours on and model
It's
one.
broken.
I like this though. I like the color. I like it more than I thought I would. John actually has one, and he actually motivated me to get one myself. So
He motivated you to?
he got the orange and blue version. I almost went with that, but I didn't want to be a copycat. So let's do a quick,
Montage.
a quick montage here.
Bop.
Alright, so like I said, tomorrow is a full day wearing this
Mine's
at work.
a little itchy, so I took it off.
You're itchy. Anyways, I will come back tomorrow and give you my full review and let you guys know what I think. We'll see you in the next clip. Alright, so it's been a couple of days since I recorded. Been wearing this the last couple days, and despite it being very thin, it is very
warm.
It is. It's very warm.
I have to go check
How do you like yours?
I love it.
One really neat feature that I like is it's actually zips all the way up, so it completely covers your neckline. Like that. And if you're wearing a ski mask, then you're totally covered. You're not going to get frostbitten at all. So if you are into skiing at all, if you're a novice skier, or if you're a beginner, or snow shoveling even, working outside, this is a great jacket. And considering the price, anyways, but yeah, it's a little spendy, but well worth it.
It's actually worth it.
I am frugal when it comes to buying clothes. I am cheap. I'm the kind of guy that buys Walmart brands and buys it every 6 months because it's so cheap. But but no, really, this was the
Fortune.
probably the best purchase I have ever made as far as winter gear goes. And considering it's a Colombian and gold line, that's $185 is not a bad price at all. And hers was $75.
It was 500 million.
It was 150. I think I might have mentioned that in the video already, but it's been a couple of days, so. But if you're curious, if you want to get this jacket for yourself, or if you want to check out some of Colombia's other merchandise, I will link their website right below. Again, this is not a sponsorship. I'm not getting paid. I'm just giving you my honest to goodness truth about these products. But very well worth it.
Really well worth it, actually.
Anyways, guys, hope this video helped. If you
Love our videos, then comment a nice comment, leave a like, press the thumbs up button, subscribe, and hit the subscribe.
if you found this video helpful, do all that.
Yeah, or else you're never gonna see one of our videos again. You're just gonna see all the old ones, and you're never gonna see new ones again. So.
What she said. Sign up, or sign up. I'll link Columbia right below if you want to check them out. Highly recommend it.
We love you all.
And
Peace.
we'll see you guys in the next one.
It's my birthday soon.
Well, less than a month. 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Bye. We love you.